without a background, which means you will only have the photo of the car in the middle. Now that's for the paid version. Hello guys and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can turn any photo background into transparent using Canva. Now I have two methods that I will be showing for this video, and the first one will be free and the second one will be the easiest, but it's paid. But don't worry, it doesn't mean that you can do it if it's paid because if you scroll down below, you will see a link that will allow you access to free trial of Canva Pro for 30 days using our link. Now, you won't lose anything. It's for free. So don't worry, go ahead and click on it and experience, and then you can just think about it later on whether you want to commit or not. So anyways, let's get into the video. So let's say we have a design over here. Like for this example, I'm going to be using this photo of a car inside a frame, and I want to save this as a transparent photo. Now it's going to be very easy. So once you have this, you just want to remove the background, right? So it's not going to be here, but where it's going to be is here on share, on download, then transparent background. And then when you download that, then this photo will be saved without a background, which means you will only have the photo of the car in the middle. Now that's for the paid version. Now how do you do it for free? Well, it's simple. You just do not check the transparent background at all. Now let's just wait for it to allow us to download this photo even with the white background. And as you can see, it's now downloading. We're going to be using the untitled design tree for this one. So where we're going to be going next is a website called remove.bg. And what this website does is it removes any background from your images. As you can see, like that, like magic. So we just go ahead and upload a photo. We're going to be using that one there since it has the white background. And if we look here, focus here, voila, it's gone. The white background is now gone in just like snap. And that's it. That is how you can turn any photo background transparent on Canva and through Canva. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please.